like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, for Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
No, I don't know. I might be wrong. But this looks a bit like the Japanese area. Is this little Tokyo? With all these Kosonki Club Kagura. To me, and all this sort of thing, it seems that it could be the Japanese area at night time. Doubt if there's any Japanese girls here. I've never been with a Japanese girl, I'd like to. I've seen plenty on the movies on the internet with all the pixels, but I've never been with one. Yeah, it must be little Tokyo, I'd imagine so. Soy ที่นี้ชื่ออะไรครับซอยธนิยะครับผมซอยธนิยะ Yeah, could go down there and what's down here. So look down here, it's a little bit busier. I like exploring little sides and things like that. Tanyarak, don't know what that is. Oh, it's nothing really down here. Just a little food store or two. Yeah, Tokyo, it's gotta be Little Tokyo, I think it's called. But it's expensive on here. Might be worth having a look tonight or tomorrow. But really my heart's not in it. It's not doing it, it's the cost. I'll wait till I get to Pattaya, Udon Thani and Hua Hin, where it's more reasonable. Whew. It's alright in Chiang Mai, reasonable, but... Hello, Sawadee Krab. Pom Nang Tini Krab. What is it, a restaurant? Oh, I'll just have a rest. Gay Liao. Pom, okay for
Thailand.
Thailand. Chưa làm Krab?
Chưa Apple.
Apple? Chưa đấy?
Thailand.
Hello England. Soy Tini chưa đấy?
Thaniya.
Also Little Tokyo, no? Hello. Oh, very good. Tattoo.
Yes.
กี่บาทครับกี่บาท
นี่6,000 ครับ
6,000
ครับ นี่ก็7,000
สวยมาก สวย Only here? Have Thai? Okay. Okay, thank you. ผมต้องยังไปลุมพินีพาร์คต้องไปเลี้ยวขวานะ
ให้ลุงพินีพัก
Down here?
เดี๋ยว
Right. ใกล้ๆนะ
ใช่ไกล
Okay.
เดินไปเรื่อย
Walking.
ๆ walking
How long? 10 minutes?
ใช่
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
บ๊ายบาย
Bye bye. Come on, Tilak. No, I'm okay, thank you. ไม่เป็นไรครับครับผม
You angry?
อังกฤษภาษาอังกฤษ ใช่
Best in the world.
No why ทำไม
Because English language, international language.
yeah everywhere yeah
You speak Thai well.
thank you very much กำลังเรียน
ที่ไหน
อังกฤษCD on YouTube
อ๋อ
I ยิน
ได้ยิน
ได้ยินแต่พูดภาษาไทยยากมาก
ครับ
ๆเพราะว่าเสียงต่ำเข้าใจ
accent voice
กลัวว่าจะพูดผิดเสมอ
ใช่ไม่ผิดคุณพูดเพราะ
thank you very much
very polite
thank you ครับผม thank you
ตอนนี้จะไปไหน
I go Lumpini Park now I walking and I go for drink
No
okay thank you sir
No that's like poster for war
yeah but I go here already I can
Oh,
I
you
go
want to see
I
that
just want to
side?
see yeah okay thank you
Have a good day ครับ
okay same to you thank you bye
โชคดี
โชคดีครับ
ครับผม
ครับผม
Why you won't make me do?